She gonna cut it off on my hair. Hi guys. There's a reason why I look like this. As you can see, I'm standing here with Miss Ruby Extraordinaire. I mean, if you're gonna get your hair or your makeup done, it's her. It's her. But y'all, I'm so sad. I'm probably about to cut off all my hair. I've had some like health things happen with my health, mainly my iron. And like you guys can tell just like by looking at it. And I was talking with Miss Ruby about it, and I think that it's important for us to let you guys know that, you know, hair products, they're good. Taking care of your hair, that's good. But like really take care of your health. Book your doctor's appointments and get your labs done so that you can know exactly what's going on. Mm-hmm. So I was sharing with Miss Ruby that my iron was really, really low to the point where like I was like trying to catch myself from falling over sometimes. And she said, what was it? What'd you say?
I said it's very important to make sure that that if your iron is low, that can affect your hair, high blood pressure. Your health is, you know, is truly your wealth in every area. And if you don't drink enough water, your hair could be dry. You know, that may be the reason why your hair is dry. You know, everything affects your hair inside. So, you know, we can do, like you said, hair products and all that good stuff is good. But if you're not taking care of your inside, then you're only masking a problem. You put a Band-Aid over a wound that would never heal. So your health is wealth. Also, that means for your hair as well.
Oh, Miss Ruby finna cut off all my hair.
Oh, you know, like 90%. No, I'm joking.
What? That's it, I'm leaving. I don't care what happens, I'm leaving.
That's funny.
She gonna cut it off on my hair.
This is not gonna cut off all your hair.
It's all. Okay.
You got it out? Good? You ready?
You know, it comes and goes. It comes and goes. Okay.
You know, the great part is you have like a billion strands of hair, you know? So, you know, a few inches, I understand that it's still traumatic, and because we grew your hair out a lot, but, you know, there is still a light at the end of the tunnel. If you grew once, it'll grow again.
Y'all, what I'm saying is, because there's a lot of people online to be like, why black women don't like to cut their hair? Why black women think that long hair is everything? But my thing is head to hair ratio. Like, I have a really large head. So head to hair ratio matters, okay? It matters. I cannot pull off a shortcut. Oh, I can't do it. I'm not cool enough. Okay.
All right, let's head to the Shampoo bar.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me.
Okay, guys. Ruby is about to cut me. I'm gonna take a moment to say goodbye to what's left of my hair. I cannot believe this.
Do you have a consultation with me today? Okay.
Oh my God. But yeah, see, it needs to go. Like, look at all that. It needs to go. It just needs to, it's gotta go. It's gotta go. So it's going to be coming off. because it's got to go. Oh my gosh. Like, I see like at least like 4 inches. Like, look at that. All that. I think I actually physically felt that in my soul.
It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better. Making me lose my mind. Lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I?
Yeah, I totally don't miss it. No, really, that's nothing.
Huh?
Really, that's nothing.
See, that is nothing.
Yeah. All right, y'all. That's it. That's all of it. Oh, wait. Am I holding this right? Okay. Yeah, y'all. That's it and that's all. I'm not going to miss that. I mean, it looks long in some areas, some area of inches, but I'm not going to miss it. Yeah. Okay, guys. Oh, I'm going to take my glasses off because the ring light is here. Okay, here's what we have. It's that.
Is that?
It's that. It's gone.
It ain't gone.
Soon to come back. I love it though. It looks healthy now.
Yes. You look just like a mom.
I do, don't I? Oh. Oh yes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, this had to happen.
It had to happen. It had to. Look at them curls, honey.
Should I show them the back? You want to hold it while I turn around?
Fit.
It's the kind of curls where you'd be like, don't touch my curl. Don't you dare touch your curl. Like, oh, did you need something from me?
I am the worst cameraman ever.
Oh, God. Mm-hmm. I love it. Thank you, Ruby. She's in Arlington, Texas.
Texas.
I have to link your Instagram here.
Yes. Come on.
I'm going to link it right here and below.